Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So as we expected to see, Xiaomi 12 series launch date has been set anytime soon in the fall, bringing the company's next flagship smartphone to consumers in China. The smartphone manufacturer is yet to reveal how many smartphones will launch the upcoming Xiaomi 12 series. However, reports have tipped the series to include 4 smartphone models: Xiaomi 12, Xiaomi 12X, Xiaomi 12 Pro, and Xiaomi 12 Ultra, as mentioned on my previous video. The Xiaomi 12 series is a successor to the company's Mi 11 series and will feature the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC under the hood. A poster for the launch event was shared by Xiaomi on its Weibo, along with an image of Chinese athlete Su Bingtian and a December 28 launch date. The company has not mentioned which Xiaomi 12 series models will be launched on the given date. The poster does not reveal anything either. Meanwhile, Xiaomi founder Lei Jun, General Manager Wang Ting Thomas and Group President Lu Weibing have been posting on Weibo using Xiaomi 12, Xiaomi 12X and Xiaomi 12 Pro handsets, as spotted by Gizmo China. Xiaomi 12 Ultra will be coupled with 12GB RAM and 256GB onboard storage that is not expandable further. Xiaomi has already confirmed that Xiaomi 12 and Xiaomi 12 Pro will feature the recently launched Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC. Meanwhile, Xiaomi 12X, which is the successor to Mi 11X, is tipped to feature the same Snapdragon 870 SoC. According to previous reports, the company could launch Xiaomi 12, Xiaomi 12 Pro, and Xiaomi 12X, which are reportedly codenamed L3, L2, and L3A respectively, at the December 28 event. On the camera front, Xiaomi 12 was recently tipped to launch with a triple camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel primary sensor. The smartphone could sport a curved display, with a Full HD plus 1920 by 1080 pixels resolution, a step down from the display on the Mi 11 flagship. Previous reports suggest that Xiaomi 12 Pro could also feature a Full HD plus display. Unlike its predecessor, the smartphone was recently spotted on the China Compulsory Certification 3C website with a 5000 mAh battery and support for 67W fast charging. Meanwhile, Xiaomi 12 Pro is tipped to offer 120W charging. According to a previous report, Xiaomi 12 could launch with Android 12-based MIUI 13, while Xiaomi 12X could launch with Android 11-based MIUI 13, with an update in the future to deliver the latest version of Android. Well, it's great to know that Xiaomi is set to release their best smartphone in 2021. That is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.